Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can turn your voice into a song from Suno AI. So this is pretty simple. This is the Suno AI interface. Once you open Suno AI, this is what you'll see: home, create, library, explore and search. For this you'll have to be on create. This is what you'll see when you're on create. Now what you're going to do is you're going to basically upload an audio, and that audio will be used to turn into a song. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload audio from right here. You can see this is the upload audio option. You're going to press on upload audio, and now you can record audio on the spot by pressing on record audio, or if you already have audio files, you can select the select a file option. Once you select a file option, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your library and you're going to select the audio that you want to use. Otherwise, if you want to record on the spot, you can press on record audio as well. Now once you finalized and uploaded the audio, you're going to see it right here. As you can see here, you'll see the name that you've chosen for it, and you'll see uploaded right here. This means this is the audio that you've uploaded yourself. So now what you're going to do is you're going to open this audio in order to use it to convert into a song. And once you open it, you'll edit it to your liking. To make this into a song, you'll add your own background stuff, and then you can use it to turn your voice into a song. You can also press on the extend option right here, and once you do that, this is what you'll see. You can even write your own lyrics. You can choose the style of music you want. You can choose a title, and you can extend it from here as well if you want to add further editing. If you want it to be an instrumental, you can use the instrumental option, and you can extend it from here till where you want to, and you can enter a title. You can change what you want right here from apart editing. And once you do that, you'll press on extend, and you can use this and the settings for Suno AI and editing in order to turn your voice into a song. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.